line K and L are parallel. So we can add these two arrows. These two lines are parallel. So what next? We have lines M and T are parallel also. If the measure of angle 1 is 27, what is the measure of angle 2? So we have given that line K is parallel to line L. What else? Line M is parallel to T, and measure of angle 1 is 27 degrees. What we have to find? We have to find measure of angle 2. So we have to start from information we have given. First, we have given that K and L are parallel. So what it means? When two lines are parallel and these two lines are cut by transversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. In this case, angle 1 is the same like angle between T and K line. So we can write that we have 1 also here. These two angles are congruent. That's why we can write that measure of angle between line T and K is also 1. Why? One more time, we use here postulate that if two lines parallels are cut by transversal, then the pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. So here we have also angle 1. What next? We have also that M and T are parallel, and now transversal is line K. So what it means? It means, again, we can use the same postulate that corresponding angles are congruent when, so one more time, when we have two parallel lines and these two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then corresponding angles are congruent. So in this case, corresponding angles are 2 and angle between K line and T. So here we have the same angle like between line M and K. So here we have also 2. What we have to find? Measure of angle 2. And what we have here? We have supplementary angles. So what it means? That the measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees. So we can write that measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. Why? Because angle 1 and 2 are supplementary. So we can write because angles 1 and 2 are supplementary. So we know that measure of angle 1 is 27 degrees, so we have 27 degrees plus measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. So now I will move 27 to the right side, so we have that measure of angle 2 is equal 180 degrees minus 27 degrees. So this is equal 153 degrees. This is my solution. We found measure of angle 2. One more time, what we use here? We use that when two lines parallel lines are cut by transversal, that corresponding angles are congruent. That's why we can write here that we have also angle 1. And now line M and T are parallel, and these lines are cut by transversal K. So now again the corresponding angles are congruent. So we have here also angle 2. And now we have supplementary angles. Measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees. So let me write for you this postulant, which I use here. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. To solve this problem, we use just this postulat. This is my solution.